Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make a meat flour, a dish which is very easy to be prepared and looks very beautiful. For that we need a dough, some meat, onion, and for the beginning we need to start with cutting down the onion into small pieces. Now add this onion to the meat. You can add some salt, some green and red peppers to your taste as you like it, and mix all of this together. Whenever the meat is ready, which is the filling for the flour, let's go on and start with opening up the dough. You can add some flour to make the whole process easier, and let's as a result get something like you will see in the video. Let's open it up, and whenever you have something like this, the one that you have in the video, let's make some rounds with the help of a cup or anything else that you have under your hands. Now it is the turn for adding the filling, let's say the meat. You're adding it, closing it like as you see in the video. And making a half round with that, let's say. There's no need to keep the ends very much closely together because we are going to add cheese onto the top of that. So it has to have the design like as you see in the video, and now it is a turn for adding some grated cheese to that, which can be either cheddar or anything else that will be melted and the one that you like. Whenever it is done, we'll put it into the oven to be cooked from 25 to 35 minutes. Of course, we'll also add some egg to the top of them so that they will be bronzy and have a beautiful color. Ready! Good appetite!